All right, good morning, everybody. On this Saturday, today is an alert day, levels 3 and 4 risk for severe weather. Timing till noon to about 6 p.m. Tornadoes, wind, hail, heavy rain. All of that is on the table for us today. So before we get into it, been showing little reminders, little tips for today. Again, if you live in a house, apartment, make sure you get to the first level. Once you do, make sure you find a spot in your home that has the most, or puts the most walls in between you and the outside. So maybe that's the bathroom, for instance. So let's get straight into your forecasts. Right now, I'm showing the causeway right now. And look at the water, very choppy, only going to get worse. And also, you're starting to see some sunshine pop up too. So we were starting out mostly cloudy skies. Now we're seeing the sun. The sun, that's just going to heat our temperatures up, add some more fuel to the fire for our storms for this afternoon. So here's what it's looking like so far. For us, still level 3 and 4. This part has not changed at all. Our neighbors up to the north of us, however, under that high level. So level 5, you're looking at Hattiesburg, Birmingham, so very likely they'll be talking about some very strong tornadoes. And then we also have that risk for talking about some strong tornadoes too. E of 2 or higher, these could be long-lived tornadoes. So could be on the ground for a while. Also looking at hail, we have the chance to see some large hail, looking at 2 inches or greater in diameter. Here's what's happening so far. For us, fairly quiet, but you can see where all the activity is. Central Louisiana into Mississippi as well, northern Louisiana. You see it right here, had some tornado warnings just right around the Monroe area. So they're dealing with this right now. And now just to the south of that, Lafayette seeing a few passing showers moving through. And back to our area, we're seeing a few small showers pass over 55, and here's where it is heading up towards Franklinton at this point. But let's time it out for you, what you can expect. So if you still have errands to run, maybe you need to head to the store, games for today, just know before noon, most of us should be fine. As we get to 1 p.m., we start to see the first round of storms moving into the North Shore. This will hit the river parishes just shortly after that. This continues on, and this is when we're expecting to see a lot of this turn severe. This is when you could have some rotation within this. So a lot of these little stronger individual cells, those could turn into tornado warnings. We could be tracking tornadoes on the ground. So 5 p.m. still seeing that mostly North Shore. I think you'll have the greatest threat. Even South Shore, you're seeing some scattered thunderstorms at this point. And what's basically going to happen is everyone's not going to see rain at the same time. Some of you may see nothing happening for several hours. Just know it's going to be scattered. That's what this is going to be. So getting to 2 p.m., just a closer look at the North Shore for you. This is when we can see some of those stronger storms rolling through, where it's going to really pack a punch as far as wind goes. So just be on the lookout for that. And then not only that, we're talking about wind gusts up to 40 miles per hour for today. I mean, it's already windy right now. Look at the wind speeds to 25, almost 30 for your wind speeds. Coming out of the south, so it's plenty of moisture. If you haven't already stepped outside for today, just know it's warm. It's muggy. Looking at the mid-70s for us, dew points are there. So you got the ingredients for severe weather for today. Here's a look at the rest of the forecast. Once we are done with the storms, cooler air moves in, and really we're returning back to near average for Sunday. Highs into the lower 70s, more 70s next week.